Hello and thank you. I'll be brief today, but I want to pass on to you some very important information. In late 2021, Immunotech published a study on autism and immunical. Let's just sit on that for a second and try to digest what that means. What does this say about Immunotech? What does this say about our science? What does this say about our commitment to make this world a better place? What does this say about you and what you can do for yourself, your friends, your family, your community, your society? You all have an extraordinary gift in your hands, a gift that is 100% transferable to anyone else who will listen and take advantage of it, a gift that could be shared once, twice, 100 times, and each time it's shared, it increases in value. It's a gift of knowledge, knowledge that comes from science, science that comes from research, research that comes from noble commitment. And let's not forget millions of dollars of financial commitment. I spent so many years alongside of Dr. Bunos and with Dr. Kongshaven, getting to know and work with these two geniuses. How lucky can a person be? I picked up so much from them, and I'm so honored to be able to continue their legacy. And probably the most important things that these two doctors represented for Immunotech was legitimacy, validation, trust, universal validation, which includes alternative medicine, complementary medicine, integrative medicine, and of course, conventional medicine. And how do you achieve that trust? How do you achieve that validation? How do you get the confidence and security from people that you're reaching out to? Well, you show them the truth. And you've all heard me say this before. What are the three things that are needed to make any scientific statement true? Say it with me. Number one, research. Number two, research. And I'm sure y'all can guess the third. So let's get back to this study. Sure, it would be directly useful if you were able to help a person or a family that's dealing with autism. That's not the point. It's important for you to know that this study took us 10 years to complete. 10 years. Do you know how many hours and how many people and how difficult this is? Never mind how expensive this is. Do you think another company in our industry is going to commit to anything close to that? No. In a year from now, some nonsense oral glutathione pill company will start making false claims about how their product is good for autism. Yeah, that makes me crazy. But ultimately, it doesn't matter. Why? Because Immunotech has contributed to making this a better place. Because people can benefit from this knowledge. And of course, we're hopeful that more and more people understand the difference between legitimate research-based findings and nonsensical pseudoscience that just steals ideas and concepts, applies them to their own unproven products. Well, y'all know what I'm talking about, and you've all witnessed some of these unethical things going on. So whether it's a study on autism or lung problems or infectious disease or any other topic, and there are many, what do we do to promote our natural products as a legitimate scientific option? Make people aware that we are the one and only company with the type of research that's available to you. I challenge anyone to show me any other network marketing company that even comes close to a small fraction of what we've done. And please don't send me test tube studies or rat studies. I want to see randomized, placebo-controlled, statistically relevant clinical trials done on humans and published in recognized medical journals. And there has to be a benefit shown in these trials, not just showing an improvement in glutathione levels. What patient cares about a blood test result? They care about how they feel. So don't be shy to ask any other company to show their human research. So that's just one thing you can do. Share our research. Tell people the remarkable things that we've achieved. Let me ask you a little quiz. Any idea what this number is? Any idea what this number means? Take a look. I have a gift for you. This will be available to you shortly after the conference. 85, yes, 85 publications featured in this book. This includes 25 animal studies, 7 laboratory studies, 19 theoretical papers, opinion papers, and review papers, 34 human studies and reports, and most importantly, 23 gold standard, double-blind, placebo-controlled human trials, the ones that really count in medicine. This represents 16 countries and 5 continents, 237 separate researchers, over 50 medical and scientific journals, over 140 of the top institutions across the world. Just look at this summary slide. This is all you need. This is all you need if someone asks, how do I know if this works? This is all you need if someone asks, what can I show my doctor? This is all you need if somebody asks, how is this different from other supplements? Do you know what this slide is? It's a passport of credibility. No one else has this. And what else does Immunotech do besides just publishing incredible research? Well, take a look at this. Here is a patent application that's already in place, a patent application for the use of Immunical in autism. This patent is still pending, so please be aware that we absolutely cannot use this in marketing our product. Wait, there's more. Here's another patent that we're waiting for. Sure, it's a bit hard to read, but essentially it's a patent for the use of Immunical in neurodegenerative and neuropsychiatric disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, schizophrenia. Again, keep your lips sealed for now. Here's yet another patent pending. The use of Immunical in head trauma, in brain injury. Where are you going to find this? Who does this? Who does this? Which company is crazy enough to spend thousands of hours and millions of dollars on research on things that we're not even allowed to talk about in marketing? Who? Who? Only Immunotech. Thank you and best of health.